Honourable Minister Sarah Murphy, Mr. Ben Sims, distinguished participants, dear colleagues and friends, my warmest thanks to Global Health Partnerships Cymru for the invitation to say a few words today. As you all know, we face profound challenges in global health. Inequitable access to care, a shortage of skilled health workers, the rising burden of non-communicable diseases, the climate crisis, and health emergencies driven by conflict and displacement. Sudden cuts to global aid have made these problems worse. These are formidable challenges, but they are not insurmountable if we work together in partnership. International partnerships like yours play a vital role in connecting health workers, researchers, policymakers, and communities, helping us share knowledge, build capacity, and speak with one voice. Thank you to Global Health Partnerships, Cymru Africa, Public Health Wales, and the Welsh Government for its leadership and commitment to global health through its international strategy. WHO is committed to our continued partnership as we work together to fulfill our shared vision, the highest attainable standard of health, not as a luxury for some, but a right for all. Diluc, I thank you.